Hi everyone, it's Bree from Be Minded Music here. Now, one of my favourite experiences to do during these sessions is shakers. Now, usually I use a little egg shaker like this one, but I understand that not everybody has these at home. So today I'm going to show you all different ways you can make shakers from things that you find around your home. Now, the first example today is to use just an ordinary bottle. Now, what I've done is I've gone out into the garden and I've found some gum nuts. So you can find little bits of tambark, gum nuts, pebbles, any small thing that you find around the garden, and you can pop that in the bottle like so, and then you pop your lid on nice and tight, and you've got a shaker. Now, a great thing to do with the shaker like this is that you can paint it, or you can draw on some paper and sticky tape it on after you've decorated it. Now, the next thing you can do around your house is grab an old toilet roll holder and pop some sticky tape on either end. Now, I've got some Lego pieces that I'm just going to put into the toilet paper roll, like so, and then I'm going to tape up the top. And once you've taped up the top, you've got yourself another shaker. Now, with the toilet paper roll, you can also decorate that however you like. That makes a really cool sound as well. Other things you might like to use is you can grab a sippy cup, and I know I've got lots of stickies hanging around my house, and they make a really great shaking sound. Or other things you can do is you can find just a container that you put your lunch in and pop some money in there, put the lid on nice and tight, and you've got yourself. There's loads of different ways that you can make shakers. They're just a few of my ideas. I would love to see you post in the comments below how you've made your shakers at home. Now, who would like to do some shaking with me? Ready? Here we go. Can you shake your shakers? 1, 2, 3. Can you shake your shakers? Let me see. Shake them up high and shake them down low. Shake them in the middle and away we go. Can you shake your shakers like this? And can you shake your shakers like that? Can you shake your shakers around and round each toes? And can you put your shakers on your nose? Well done, everybody. Let's try a different one. Now, this time I'm going to trick you. So, my words are going to tell you to put your shaker on a body part, but my body's going to do something completely different. Here we go. Can you shake your shakers like this? And can you shake your shakers like that? Can you shake your shakers up and down instead? And can you put your shakers on your head? If it's on your belly, I tricked you. If it's on your head, great listening. See if I can trick you again. Can you shake your shakers like this? And can you shake your shakers like that? Can you shake your shakers side by side like me? And can you put your shakers on your knees? If it's on your elbows, I tricked you. If it's on your knees, then great listening. Let's see if I can trick you one last time. Here we go. Can you shake your shakers like this? And can you shake your shakers like that? Can you shake your shakers on a diagonal like so? And can you put your shakers on your toes? Now, if it's on your finger, I tricked you, but if it's on your toe, great listening. Well done, guys. Now, we're going to do some more shaking. Now, this time, we're going to do fast and slow shaking. Ready? Here we go. Everybody shaking, shaking, shaking. Everybody shaking just like us. Everybody shaking, shaking, shaking. Everybody shaking just like us. Hands up. Well done. Now this time, I want you to control your arm up and down very slowly to the music. Ready? Everybody shaking, slowly shaking. Everybody shaking, really slow. But it's so much more fun to go faster! Everybody shaking, everybody shaking, just like that. Everybody shaking, everybody shaking, just like that. And stop. Well done, everybody. Let's go even faster. I can shake as slow as you. I can shake as slow as you. Shaking on the spot. Come on and shake, 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 feel that shake, 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 feel that shake, 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 feel that till I tell you to stop. Shake them up high, take them down low, shake them really fast, and shake them really slow. Come on and shake, shake, shake the feeling down, shake, shake, shake the feeling down, shake, shake, shake the feeling down till I tell you to stop. And let's shake round in a circle. Can everybody show me how to shake your egg shakers around in a circle? They're round, 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 the bigger at the bottom, smaller at the top, down the bottom, down the bottom, with the egg shakes. Is there eggs? The little things with their legs. Is there eggs? Let's get faster. Round, 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 the bigger at the bottom, smaller at the top, down the bottom, down the bottom, with the egg shakes. Is there eggs? The little things with their legs. Is there eggs? Let's go faster. Round, round, the bigger at the bottom, smaller at the top, down the bottom, down the bottom, with the egg shakes. Woohoo! You guys just went so fast. I thought you were all going to take off for a second. Anyway, it's been a pleasure to do some shaking with you all, and I'd love to see all of your pictures of you guys shaking in the comments below, and I will see you all next time. Thanks, everyone. Bye.